What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kryptonite, and we're here to talk about my favorite DeFi protocol, the Undisputed Champ, the best in the business, the Drip Network. What's today's subject? Price. Everyone is talking about the price and what the heck they should be doing. Personally, does the price bother me some days? Absolutely, right? Because we would love for it to continue to go up and to the right. But the reality is that doesn't always do that. Like, you've got to have moments of consolidation and sell-offs. And those consolidation periods and sell-offs actually create opportunities for people, because that means we could probably buy it at a pretty low price. Speaking of price, what is today's drip price? Let's go to the Drip Network and we'll click on the swap tab. And the swap tab is going to tell us that today, at this moment in time, drip is trading at $30.71. Now, I know for a fact it was much, much lower than that earlier today. So I'm just going to scroll down, take a peek at the chart. Yeah, and you can tell right around here, let's start here, that's pretty low. That was $28.52. It's all about perspective. Some people may see $28.52 as a buying opportunity to get it on sale. Some may consider the $28.52 as a major concern because they bought it at $150, $160, $190 when it was at its all-time high. So it's all about perspective. Because of when I bought it, $28 is actually on sale for me. So what I've actually done in the last 48 hours, you'll notice right here where it says drip balance, I've kept about 29.61 drip in my wallet because I'm anticipating the price to go up at some point. We're not going to sit here at the $30.71. That's just highly unlikely, especially with all the good news that's been coming out in recent weeks around the animal farm and the enhancements on the piggy bank and the pig pen and all the partnerships that are kind of lined up and just ready to be released once we finally get through the animal farm. Like, this $30 and some change is not going to stay there. So I'm holding a little bit in my wallet in anticipation of a price run up, and that way I can then sell the drip and get a lump sum at one point in time. All right. But in the meantime, all I'm doing once I click on this faucet tab here is I'm growing my bag. I'm up to 547 drip tokens. That's about 5.4 drip tokens every single day. So regardless of what's going on in the market, it doesn't matter what the temperature is outside, Drip Network is still paying me 1% per day. So at the time of this recording, I've earned 1.137 drip tokens, so that's roughly $34.83. And you want to know what I had to do to get the $34.83 today? Nothing. I just simply turn on my laptop or look at Metamask in my phone, head over to the Drip Network and check my balance. So I swear to you, I don't know what all the concern is. Like, I get it. You know, folks really want the animal farm to kickstart so this drip price can finally recover. So I get the frustration there. But what I tell people is just hold tight. You know, what did the Drip Network commit to you? And it's pretty simple. It's going to pay you 1% of whatever your deposit balance is. So 1% of that number is 5.47, right? 5.47. Let's kind of see what that does here. Let's pull up a calc. See if we can get this thing loaded pretty quickly. So if we have 547.411 drip tokens in this account, we'll multiply that by 0.01, which is 1%. There's the 5.47 drip tokens that this one account's earning. Now, to get the dollar value associated with that, we'll just head over to the swap tab. $30.58. $30.58. Go back to the calculator. Multiply this number by $30.58. That's $167.39. $167.39 in arguably a bear market. right? So the price is pretty low. It's not the lowest it's been. The lowest it's been is anywhere between like $5 and $7, and then again $10, and now our floor is hovering right around $30. So even in a bear market, that's $167. Can you imagine what happens when we get a bull run? That number's going to be off the meter, right? Off the meter. So before anything really kind of takes place in the drip network, I've got a fundamental belief that we're really waiting on the heavyweight champ and the prince to respond. So the heavyweight champ is Bitcoin, the OG, right? It's got the most value in terms of market cap. Look how massive that is. That's $762 billion. And its little brother is trading at about $355 billion for the market cap. Last 24 hours, both are up, but the last 7 days, both are down. If we look at 90 days, 30 days, last 30 days, we're still trending down. Overall, 90 days, we're up. So until we see Bitcoin and Ethereum really start to take action, Bitcoin trading north of $50,000, Ethereum probably north of $3,500, market's going to continue to trade sideways. Like nothing really takes off, nothing gets started until Bitcoin and Ethereum have their run. And then it moves down to mid caps. So BNB, Solana, XRP, Cardano. And then it gets down to all the other guys that are probably not on the screen just yet, rankings of 200 and 2,000, then we'll finally see our run. But in the meantime, my strategy is really simple. Because these prices are pretty low, trading in the $30 to $35 range, all I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, hit this hydrate button, wait for the finger to confirm, and I'm just going to continue adding anything that I earn over here in the available column and loading them over to my deposit. That's all I'm going to be doing. In my opinion, it simply doesn't make sense to, compound is complete, it simply doesn't make sense to cash out at this point because the price is so low. It makes more sense to just continue to grow your deposit balance, wait for the price to get north of $30, $40, $50, $100, whatever your price point is, and then start cashing out. So the concept should always be buy low, sell high. This is pretty low. So the psychology in investing says buy. If you don't have any more money in the drip network, you hydrate. All right, ladies and gentlemen, again, not financial advice, just a guy on YouTube. Let you know what he's doing in his portfolio. This is mine. It's my money, not yours. My money, not yours. This is what I'm doing. You have an obligation to you and your family to do what's best for your household. I'm doing what's best for mine. And what's best for mine is to hydrate. All right? So, not financial advice, but I appreciate you guys listening, paying attention. If you want to be a part of a rockstar team, the Drip to Wealth team, we're up to 237 team members. 237 team members. Why? I don't know. We're just rockstar, man. We just keep growing and growing and growing. And yes, we do give away airdrops. But that's not why you're joining the team. You're joining the team maybe for the airdrops, but then also for the knowledge that we provide in our Telegram channel. So go ahead, subscribe, like the video, share. If you want more information on Drip and all the other DeFi plays that we're talking about, join the Telegram group. In the meantime, keep dripping. We out.